they crooked. I'm gonna keep them off. Should I keep them off? Yeah. Yeah, because I'm pretty.
I used to take myself out on dates, open my own damn.
What's up, MG gang 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 gang? It's your girl Melanin. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to my channel. What's poppin'? And to my new viewers, what's poppin'? I'm glad you're here. I'm glad you're here. Subscribe to my channel. Now, but for real, in today's video, I'm just showing y'all how I put this wig on. That's it. I was like, you know, I'm about to do my hair, so I might as well record it. Period. So yeah, this wig is from Buladou hair. I already have a video of me with the deets on the hair, all this stuff like that. However, you know, that's that. Just check out my channel to go look for that if y'all want to know. However, this video was requested a while ago. I had a subscriber or someone comment on the channel. They wanted to see how I actually, you know, put it on in real time. So it is sped up a little bit because I didn't want to make a real long video, but I do show y'all how I put it on, how I lay it down, how I do these baby hairs and everything. I washed it and installed it and everything. I, you know, detangled my hair, moisturized my hair, and braided it down, oiled my scalp. But you don't see that part. But I do show you all the products I use when washing the hair and everything else. So everything's in the video. You have to go and watch it. All of it, okay? Because y'all not watching all my videos. Y'all watching something? Y'all watching, I don't know, maybe y'all like me talking. Let me know. If you part of the gang times a trillion. Yeah. Watch it to the end. What you here for? Dang. You know, I'm gonna actually put it on the screen where all the action starts, so you can just go there. But watch it to the end, okay? Love y'all so much. The subscriber rates are going up, so that means somebody loves me and people love me. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, turn the notifications bell on so you can be a part of the Noti gang, of the MG gang times a trillion. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, if y'all want to see how I came about this install, just keep watching, okay? Okay, bye.
Everything on my plate. Sometimes I'd even get the steak, cause I got it like that. Always have my own bag, never needed no man to rely on. Got two good shoulders to cry on. I was alright on my own till I fell, but it wasn't fake. And I couldn't tell at the time, but I was my own soulmate. It's like I forgot I was fine, let you treat me any kind of way. Now I'm free, you gotta celebrate. You couldn't see everything and stay. That I wasn't afraid to say, yeah. If I gotta choose me, I won't be afraid to. If I gotta choose me, I gotta do what I gotta do. When I love you, I lose me. Now I can't be attached to you no more. I like me better when I wasn't yours. I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back to who I was before. I like me better, I like me better, I like me better, yeah, yeah. I like me better, I like me better when I wasn't yours. I like me better, I like me better, yeah, yeah, yeah.
I gave you all that you asked of me. You like the view from behind, but you won't make an ass of me. That's why I'm saying goodbye. Hopping out my feelings, get to the money. Gotta keep it 100. Leaving you ain't really took nothing from me. So don't come looking for me. I'm that bitch and I have it. You forgot but I have it. You was just a no habit. So I'ma disappear like magic. I'm that bitch and I have it. You forgot but I have it. Now you wish that you had it. But all I gotta say back is,
If I gotta choose me, I won't be afraid to. If I gotta choose me, I gotta do what I gotta do. When I love you, I lose me. No, I can't be attached to you. I like me better when I wasn't yours. I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back. I'm going back to who I was before. I like me better, I like me better, I like me better. I like me better, I like me better when I wasn't yours. I like me better when I wasn't. I'm going back. For my mama, when I finally make it, take all my vacations to Bahamas, always celebrating. Ever since my birthday was the bomb, and now I'm detonating. No, you can't relate, you just can't relate. Every day I wake up like a boss, and I be thanking Jesus. Fakers trying to get up in my circle, I don't really need them. We been saying we up next forever, now we really mean it. We about that action, acting bad shit when you see us, yeah. I'm passionate, I work hard so when it pop, it ain't on accident. Yeah, I'm always on go, better watch how I go. Don't forget to let you know I be ballin'. I would drop it out, buy a house in New Orleans. Up the empty and I'm sure I'm important. Win a Grammy, I be ballin' like I'm Jordan. While you hear the snoring, I be busy scoring. I would drop it out, buy a house in New Orleans. Up the empty and I'm sure I'm important. Win a Grammy, I be ballin' like I'm Jordan. While you hear the snoring, I be busy ballin', 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 ballin'. Yeah, I be busy ballin', ballin', ballin'. Ooh, I be cashing checks like it ain't shit. Loose leaf in it. When we go out, always in the VIP. Whole crew be lit. Running my money up. Watch it all fall from the sky. I ain't picking up. That's $6 on the line. You know I ain't got the time. I be busy on the move. People wonder how I made it here. They see me paying dues. I was living check to check. Now I'm whipping something new. Better pay me my respect. I ain't never gonna lose. I be ballin'. I would drop it out, buy a house in New Orleans. Up the empty and I'm sure I'm important. Win a Grammy, I be ballin' like I'm Jordan. While you hear the snoring, I be busy scoring. I would drop it out, buy a house in New